Hello guys! Today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and we are going to go through the unboxing of this device. So as you can see, this is the box of our earbuds, and let me go through the unboxing. As you can see, here they have the tapes. Let me go to this quickly. And here they are. But before we start going through our earbuds, as I can see here, we've got the papers, the documents. So as you can see here, we've got many things. So the first thing is the warranty card. Nobody reads it, but you can read it if you want. So here, as you can see, we have maybe English. Let me find English. Okay, I think I won't find it that easily. Okay, let's not focus on that. Okay, so here we have quick start guide, which is the quick user manual for us, how to remove the battery, how do you need to contact the device center, etc. You can read it too. And as for this box, we have yet another thing, which is, as you can see, the cable. That's, I think, cable. Let me quickly open it without damaging my box. No, these are tips. As you can see here, we've got the tips for our earbuds, and this is nice. As you can see here, we've got two sizes. This is, as I can see, medium, and these are large. And now let's go to our earbuds. So here, as I can see, we've got our case for our earbuds, and that's it for the box. We don't have the cable. We don't receive the cable with our earbuds, unfortunately. But let me open them quickly. Okay, as you can see here they are, and as I can see, we have got, these are the medium ones, we have got the tips, medium ones are already put in. So these over here that are, no, I won't find it here, these that are here are small and large. So these are, as you can see, are our earbuds, our case. That's how they look like. That's how they look like. And as you can see, this is all we receive. If you want to learn something about your device, check our channel because we have many videos about these earbuds. So check it out. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.